Welcome! In front of me I have Honor Band 3 and I'm gonna show you how to set up the alarm clock on this smart band. Before we start, if you want to set up the alarm clock on this smart band, your band needs to be paired with a phone via the Huawei Health application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the Huawei Health application on the phone that is paired with our smart band. After you open the application, you should see the health page. Now tap on the devices icon to open the devices page. Here you should see your Honor Band 3. Tap on it to select it. Now scroll down through this page and find the option called Alarm. Tap on it. And here we can set up the alarms. The first option we have is Smart Alarm, and you can enable it or disable it. And what this option does is basically it tries to wake you up 5 minutes before the set time if the band detects that you're not in the deep sleep, basically. So basically, if you're wearing your band on your wrist when you're sleeping, it will detect that you're not in the deep sleep. It will try or attempt to wake you up a little bit earlier than your alarm time. You can also tap on this option to set the time on which it should try to wake you up, and you can also tap on Smart Wake Up and select how much earlier it should try to wake you up, and you have 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes. Select the one you like, and then you have repeat, and you can select on which days the alarm should repeat. So if you unselect every day, it will only repeat once, so basically it will go off and then turn off automatically. But if you select specific days, for example Monday and Wednesday, then tap on OK, the alarm will repeat on every Monday and Wednesday. So that's how it works. Of course, if you turn it off here, it won't work, it will be disabled. We can also add our own alarm. You can tap on Add and set the time by swiping up and down right here. Then tap on Repeat, select and on which days it should repeat. And then you can tap on alarm name and you can name the alarm. And once you're done, you can tap on the check mark. And here we have our alarm. You can turn it on or off. You can tap on it to edit it. You can remove it by tapping on Delete Alarm. And of course, you can set up multiple alarms if you want to by tapping on the Add button again. And once you're done, you can close the application. And that's how you set up the alarm clock on this smart band. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.